calling out of Huck's Flying J here in Mount Vernon or Vernon, Illinois. Did our pre-trip, did our vehicle inspection report. Now we're getting back on the road. First stop we're going to make is going to be for some fuel up in Mascota. Illinois. I believe it says Mascota. I'm not too sure. Don't know the exact pronunciation, but I believe that's correct, Mascota. So I can get a little fuel up there at the, there's a Petro I'm fueling at. That's about an hour away at the most. And then the rest of the day we're making our way to Salina, Kansas. And depending on how the day goes, we might go a little bit further than that. Because getting to Salina from here is just about 500 miles. If we do a little bit more, that's a bonus, but it isn't entirely necessary, being we only have about 870 miles to go. South and east, we're going to go
in 500 feet,
north and west.
Turn right on Broadway, IL-15. In 500 feet, turn right on Broadway, IL-15.
Alrighty. So it's about 38 degrees right now. Not too bad. But another morning up before the sun. Get through the rest of Illinois today, then Missouri, then into Kansas.
Take the entrance to the left on I-57 north I-64 west. In 600 feet, take the entrance to the left on I-57 north I-64 west.
Major big challenge besides getting fuel. It'll be getting through St. Louis, which being Sunday, we shouldn't have as much of a problem. Alright, pulling in here to this Eddie's Travel Center here in Muscatine, Illinois. It's a Roadies affiliate, I guess. So we're actually going to be able to
destination on the right side, Eddie's Travel Center.
Actually be able to use our Roadies card that we've had for a freaking year plus, but since we rarely ever fill up at a Roadies, we'll finally get an opportunity to do so. Coming down onto the river here. The old Missouri River again. Really nice to take a nice little multi-day, canoe ride down a river like this. Just pull up on the side, camp, get back in the boat, just nice and easy, paddle down. That'd be nice. We're heading a little bit southwest right now. That's why the sun is beaming in the side of my glasses and put a little glint in the eyes. Not fun, but actually I'm going to switch my glasses from my nighttime rainy glasses. Put on my transition glasses. I think I might consider ordering myself some plain old sunglasses that are prescription as well. That way I can, have something a little bit darker when it's brighter and sunnier out. And also see if I can't get a safety glass version. But we'll wait for that until after after my birthday in February. So we got another 10 miles to go till our next load check. So we'll see you then.
Yeah, but she probably wouldn't like that. No, she don't like that.
Ready.
In 1,000 feet, turn right on North 9th Street, KS 143, and then turn left in 520 feet.
Righty. Find ourselves a prime spot to park in as soon as Mr. CR England decides what he's going to do.
Arrived at your destination, on the left side, Petro Salina number 366. Proceed to the highlighted route.
You finally pick a spot there, Mr. England? Alrighty, change that to our post trip. Turn it off. I'm gonna get out and take a quick peek. Make sure everything is good. Let's take a quick look. Tires look good. Signals, lights. Everything's still in place. Our load is riding good. You see these big old crates. Tires looking good. Mud flap's still on. Turn signals are working. All of our lights back here are good. Then you just check up the other side. Turn signals are working. Load is looking good. So we consider that we had a good, successful day. A little strap sticking out. We may have to put a little clamp on that. But other than that, truck is rolling pretty good.